What's up, Rodeo Squad? I am back with another banger Afri Natural 3x Caribbean 3x Crimp 20-inch crochet T1B bug color hair. All right, y'all, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a Rodeo Squad, welcome back. Thank you for watching. So today is going to be a quick video on how I do this crochet hair. This one is the Crimp curl. I looked all on YouTube to see if anybody has done this one. Nobody has done this one, and I am going to be the first one to do it. All right, so I have seen other Afri styles on here, and I'm going to insert the ones that I have seen. And yeah, so the first one that I've seen on here was Sassy Curl. That's a pretty cool one that I've seen people do. Another one I've seen is the Bohemian Soft Water. This other one is called Paradise Curl. This other one is Water Wave. That one's really pretty. Another one is called Waterfall. What's on my mouth? This other one that I've seen on here is Aruba Curl. And this other one I've also seen is Stream Curl. My fault, Stream Curl. This one is Paradise Curl. And then this one is called Deep Bay Curl. Now there are other ones that I've seen on here. I don't have pictures for that's in that Afri family. One is called the Halo Curl. The other one is another one is called Beach Curl. Another one. Oh my God. Anyway, they have another one called Bounce Motion Wave. I don't have pictures for these ones. These last four. And then another one I seen was Tierra Wave. So I will be the first to be doing this Crimp one because I did not see it on YouTube like anybody have done it. So I think I'm going to be the first to do this, and I'll link everything in the description box below on like the color, the length. I got it from my local beauty supply store. This here costs like $12.99 a pack, which is ridiculoso. But yeah, anyways, this is my braiding pattern, as y'all can see. And of course my back, always the same. Wait, I don't even know if y'all saw that. Hold on. I'll sit in my stool. So this is the front and this is the back. So I always do it straight to the back halfway, and then I'll go ahead and zigzag the back. So I'll be back with the results of, or the little process of my hair. Rodeo Squad, I am back and almost finished with my hair. As y'all can see the back. I forgot to mention that this is like Kankaline to Yokaline kind of hair. And it does come with 3 bundles in the pack. I bought 3 packs. I don't need this pack. This is my 3rd pack. So I really use like 2 packs with only 1, 2, 3 bundles in there. That's all I needed. This hair is pretty long. It's not to my butt, but almost. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my hair so I can kind of like show y'all the process. Crochet through, pull it through, and then I'm gonna hook this like 3 times. It's pretty thick. This is the crimp kind. I tried not to put too much in the back because I knew it was gonna be kind of thick. But yeah, this is how it's looking. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It's just a lot of hair. So I already know what I'm finna do with this hair. Y'all already know what I'm finna do. I'm finna put her up in a ponytail like I do all my hair and call it a day. All right, Radio Squad, make sure you like it, you comment, and you subscribe, and leave your comment down below. And make sure y'all give this a thumbs up. And that is all. Deuces. Have a good day, y'all.